Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.5 question number 4. Fill in the missing fractions. A is here. A is 7 by 10 by 10 minus, there is a box here, is equal to 3 by 10. Here you see both the denominator is same, that is 10, therefore the denominator will be 10. And what should be subtracted from 7 so that we get 3, that is 7 minus 4. Right? 3 is 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10 equal to 3 by 10. Why? Because the denominator is same, that is 10, and 7 minus 4 is 3. In second method you can also find out. Suppose 7 by 10. This is the second method you can find also. Minus, suppose this is x is equal to 3 by 10. Right? Now, in equation form, if this x goes to the right side after equal to, minus sign will change into plus. Right? Therefore, it is 7 by 10. See, this is plus 3 by 10. In this side, it will be minus 3 by 10. And this will be equal to x. X on the right side will be plus and 3 by 10 on the left side will be minus. Now, if we subtract this number, that is 10. 10 is the LCM or denominator, that is 7 minus 3 is equal to x, or 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, that is 4 by 10. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4 by 10. That means we can write here 4 by 10. Or in simple way, since the denominator, both the denominator is 10, it will be 10. And what should be subtracted from 7 so that you get 3, that is 4 by 10. Right? In this way, you can solve the problem. Now, question number B. Question number B is, what is question number B? Question number B is dash minus 3 by 21 is equal to 5 by 21. 5 by 21. Right? Right. Here you see, here the denominator is 21, here also the denominator is 21, therefore it will be, the denominator will be 21. From what number 3 should be subtracted so that we get 5, that is 8. Right? 8 minus 3 is 5 and this is 21. If we subtract it, you will get 5 by 21. Or in second method, you can take as x, suppose x minus 3 by 21 is equal to 5 by 21 is equal to 5 by 21. Right? That means this is an equation. We find the value of equation x is equal to 5 by 21. This minus sign will change into plus 3 by 21. And if we add the numbers, we are getting, that is 21 is the LCM, and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 by 21. 8 by 21. This is the answer, right? That is 8 by 21. This is the solution of question number B. Now we will next to question number C. In both the method, you can solve the problem, right? Now question number C is dash minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Here you see the denominator is 6, therefore the denominator will be 6. Right? And from what number 3 be subtracted so that you get 3? that is 6. Right? 6 by 6. If you take the LCM as 6, 6 minus 3, that is 3 by 6. Or you can solve by second method also. If we take it as x, that is x minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 6, minus sign will be changed into plus 3 by 6. And if we take the LCM as 6, that is 3 plus 3, that we are getting 6 by 6. Therefore, the answer is 6 by 6, or if we change into lowest term, it will be 1. The answer is 6 by 6 or 1. Right? Next, we'll solve question number D. Question number D is question number D is dash plus 5 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. Now here see, denominator both same, therefore the denominator will be 27, right? And here it is 12. What should be added to 5 such that you will get 12? It is 7. 7 plus 7 by 25, 7 by 27 plus 5 by 27 equal to 12 by 27. Or you can do it by the second method, that is x plus 5 by 27 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. 12 by 27. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 27. This plus sign will change into minus 5 by 27. 5 by 27. Therefore, the LCM will be 27. 12 minus 5, that is 7 by 27. Right? This is the answer, 7 by 27. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.